Hi, I'm Dr. John. I'm going on a trip today and I need to grab a snack. What should I bring? I could grab some chips, a snack bar, or an apple. What do you think I should bring? I think I'll take the apple. Why? Well, because it's the healthiest choice I can make. You see, our body uses food for 3 different reasons. We use the energy in food to power our muscles and our brains. We use the protein and minerals in food, which are like tiny building blocks to build our bones and our muscles. And we use the vitamins in food, which are like little helpers, which do many different things, like help heal our skin if there's a cut or scrape, and help us fight off germs.
Goodbye.
I have an idea. Why don't we go inside the body so we can see where food goes after we eat it and what our body does with that food. Are you ready? Here we go. When you swallow food, food goes past your mouth, down your esophagus, and into your stomach. Your stomach works to break up the food into tiny pieces so that it can be absorbed or moved into the bloodstream. What? Your food goes into your bloodstream? Yes, it does. Most of what you eat and drink goes into your bloodstream. Your blood carries the energy and vitamins and minerals from your food and carries it around the body. Your heart then pumps your blood all around the body through the blood vessels. Where do you think it goes? Let's find out. Here we go. Whoa! Some of the blood, along with the energy from food, goes to the brain. Deep inside, the brain uses the energy from food to think and to learn. That's why it's so important to have breakfast before you start school. It's hard to focus and learn when you're hungry. Some of the blood goes to the bones. This is what your bones look like deep inside. Your bones use the protein and the calcium from your blood to build a strong structure like a brick wall. So when you eat good foods like almonds and milk and yogurt that have calcium and protein, you're building strong bones. Some of your blood goes to your muscles. Your muscles use the energy in the blood to flex so you can run, jump, and play. When you're resting, your muscles use just a little bit of energy. But when you're exercising, your muscles use a lot of energy.
My muscles use an incredible amount of energy. This bicep could power a small country or even the state of California. You're welcome.
Wow, that was a really fun trip. Now let's get back to talking about our snack food. Why did I choose the apple? Well, some foods like apples are really good for our bodies and help us grow, while other foods are not so good for our bodies. Fruits and vegetables can be called always foods because they're always good options to eat. Apples and bananas and yes, broccoli are always better choices than chips or cookies. These fruits and vegetables have the energy and the vitamins and minerals that we talked about that help you grow. They also have lots of fiber, which is good for your digestion, and it also makes it easier for you to poop.
Hey.
No one wants to have a hard time pooping. Other always foods includes most nuts like almonds, lean meats and fish, and milk and yogurt as long as it doesn't have a lot of extra sugar. Many snack foods are not good for your body, and they can be called sometimes foods because you can eat them sometimes, but they're not always good for your body. Wait a second. If chips are made out of potatoes or corn, why aren't they good for you? Well, corn grows on a farm, and it uses the energy from the sun and the nutrients like minerals from the ground to grow up and make this beautiful, delicious ear of corn. That's a healthy snack. But when they take the corn and cook it in a factory, many of the good things, like the fiber and the vitamins and minerals are taken out of the corn.
Bye-bye.
And then extra things are added in, like those fake flavors and the fake colors. So even if they taste really good, much of the good stuff is gone.
Oh no.
And that's why fruits and vegetables and nuts are always a better choice for you than chips and cookies. Some people even call chips and cookies junk food because they're just not good for you. And what about drinks? Most of the time, water is the best choice, even when you're running and playing sports. Now, sports drinks and juices have a lot of extra sugar that your body usually doesn't need. And what about soda? Soda doesn't have anything good for your body. So let's skip the soda and stick to water. Hey, why don't we play a game? Can you choose the better snack? Welcome to the Better Snack Game, where we choose the better snack. I'm your host, Dr. John. First up in the snack battle, can you choose the better snack between an apple and a donut? Think about it. Think about it. That's right, the apple is the better snack. It has the fiber and the vitamins that the donut doesn't have. Next up on our snack battle, almonds versus French fries. That's right, almonds. Almonds have the protein and the minerals that the French fries just don't have. Next up on the snack battle, potato chips versus fruit salad. That's right, fruit salad. Fruit salad is full of vitamins and minerals and energy that's great for your body. Okay, final round. Soda versus milk. Think about it. Think about it. That's right, milk is the better choice. There's nothing good about soda for you, but milk has protein to help you grow. Great job. I feel like singing.
Wake up in the morning, got to fuel your groove. Fruit, eggs, and grains, they're gonna help you move. Sugar treats might taste sweet, but they're gonna slow you down. Say what? Healthy eating every day will keep away your frown. Ow! Feel the fun. Skip the junk. Fruit and vegetables got what you need to power up. Oh, feel the fun. Skip the junk. And make the best choice that you can. Veggies on your plate help your body grow strong. Protein builds muscles, keeps you going all day long. Now water in your cup, not hot, keeps your body cool. Say what? Skip the soda, it's no good. At home and at your school. Ow! Feel the fun. Skip the junk. Fruit and vegetables got what you need to power up. Oh, feel the fun. Skip the junk and make the best choice that you can. When you're at a party, what you gonna do? Tables full of snacks, most of them no good for you. Take a moment, think it through. You still get to choose. Pick the fresh, forget the rest, and let your body cruise. Ow! Feel the fun. Skip the junk. Fruit and vegetables got what you need to power up. Oh, feel the fun. Skip the junk and make the best choice that you can.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.